Welcome to Motor Vision, the channel where we dive into the heart and soul of the automotive world. Whether it's classic rides, futuristic beasts, or the latest industry news, we bring you the best in motoring. If you're a true gearhead, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Now, let's get into it. Today, we're talking about a true masterpiece, the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup. A truck that blends nostalgia with modern engineering, capturing the spirit of old-school craftsmanship while delivering cutting-edge performance. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a tribute to the golden age of American pickups, reborn with 21st-century innovation. At first glance, the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup immediately commands attention. The design is a perfect homage to classic GMC trucks of the 1950s and 60s, featuring bold lines, a squared-off body, and that unmistakable front grille. Chrome accents wrap around the headlights, and the retro-style GMC badge sits proudly up front. But while it looks vintage, a closer look reveals the modern touches. LED headlights blend seamlessly into the classic design, and the aerodynamics have been subtly enhanced for improved efficiency without compromising the old-school feel. Under the hood, this beauty offers a mix of powertrain options to suit every kind of enthusiast. The base model comes with a 5.3-liter V8, delivering that deep, throaty growl we all love. But for those looking for something even more special, GMC has introduced a 6.2-liter V8 option, pushing out an impressive 460 horsepower. And for the environmentally conscious drivers who still want a taste of vintage charm, there's a plug-in hybrid version that pairs a turbocharged inline-4 with an electric motor, offering both power and efficiency without sacrificing performance. Step inside, and you're met with a cabin that blends classic aesthetics with modern comfort. The dashboard pays tribute to mid-century GMC pickups with its retro dials and chrome-trimmed switches, but the technology is anything but old-fashioned. A massive 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system sits at the center, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an advanced navigation system. The seats, vintage-inspired leather with contrast stitching, giving that perfect mix of luxury and nostalgia. Driving the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup is an experience like no other. The steering is precise, the suspension perfectly tuned for a smooth ride, and thanks to modern engineering, it's more comfortable than any classic truck from decades past. But it still has that raw, mechanical feel that makes driving a vintage-style truck so special. And let's not forget the off-road capabilities. GMC has ensured that this truck isn't just for show. With an available four-wheel drive system, reinforced chassis, and adaptive suspension, it's more than capable of handling rough terrain while looking absolutely stunning. Another highlight is the cargo bed. Unlike traditional classic trucks that sacrificed practicality for design, this one blends both effortlessly. The bed features a multi-function tailgate, hidden storage compartments, and a high-strength steel build that makes it ready for work or play. Whether you're hauling gear for a weekend adventure or just cruising through town, this truck does it all with style. Now, let's talk about availability. GMC has announced that the 2025 Vintage Pickup will be a limited production model, making it a collector's dream. If you want one, you'll have to act fast, as pre-orders are expected to sell out quickly. Pricing starts around $55,000 for the base model, with the fully loaded version reaching up to $75,000. Given its unique blend of heritage, technology, and performance, it's worth every penny. So, what do you think? Is the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup the perfect blend of past and future? Would you add this beauty to your collection? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more automotive content. This is Motor Vision, and we'll see you in the next ride.